Hello dear students, today we will solve some problem on the basis of Young's double slit experiment. Young's double slit experiment means, so here we consider that fringe width. We want to find out fringe width and wavelength and distance between a fringe width. So these type of questions we will discuss today. Okay, the first question, in Young's double slit experiment, the two parallel slits are made 1 millimeter apart and a screen is placed 1 meter away. What is the fringe separation when blue-green light of a wavelength 500 nanometer is used? Okay, in Young's double slit experiment, the two parallel slits are made 1 millimeter. So two parallel slit, it means, so here we consider that this one is a slit, two parallel slit, okay, and separated by this distance. So this distance value already given that, so that one is 1 millimeter. So D value 1 millimeter. Okay, it means D is equal to 1 millimeter. So 1 millimeter means 1 into 10 power minus 3 meter. 1 millimeter. Okay, next one. What is the fringe? A separation between blue-green light of a wavelength 500 nanometer is used. Okay, another one thing, so here we consider that this one is a slits, and here we consider that a separation between these two, screen and a slit. So D. So D given that distance between slit and screen already given that 1 meter. Already in question, so separation between slit and screen is 1 meter already there. Next one, the wavelength. So wavelength lambda is equal to 500 nanometer. N lambda is equal to 500 nanometer. Nanometer, it means 500 into 10 power minus 9 meter. Okay, so here we want to calculate a fringe width value. It means a distance between two bright fringes or two dark fringes value. Okay, you already know that formula. So fringe width is equal to D into lambda divided by small d. Yes, D means a distance between screen and a slit, lambda means a wavelength, and small d means a distance between two slit, and beta we consider that a fringe width. Okay, so distance between two bright fringes or dark fringes. Okay, so here, so D already given that 1 meter. Yes, so this one is 1 meter into, so lambda means 500 nanometer divided by small d. So small d value, it means a distance between slit 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter. It means 1 meter into 500 nano. It means a 10 power minus 9 meter divided by 1 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, so this reason here we consider that 1 into 5 into 10 power 2. Why? Because 500 into 10 power minus 9 into, so 10 power plus 3. 10 power plus 3. Okay, so this reason here we consider that so 10 power minus 9 plus 3, it means 10 power minus 6 plus 2, so 10 power 5 into 10 power minus 4. So 5 into 10 power minus 4. Otherwise we consider that 0.5 millimeter. It means, so 0.5 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Okay, so here we get the fringe width value. So beta is equal to 0.5 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Okay. So next question, a laser light of a wavelength 630 nanometer. Okay, so here given that a laser light, it means we consider that a lambda 1. So lambda 1 value is 630 nanometer. It means 630 into 10 power minus 9 meter. Okay. Next one, incident on a pair of a slit produce an interference pattern in which the bright fringes are separated by 8.1 millimeter. Okay, so this reason here we consider that so this one is double slit, and here we consider that this one is a laser light, and it's a wavelength already given that lambda 1, and here we get a crest trough. It means here on the screen we will get a interference pattern, it means bands. Okay, and here we consider that suppose so this one is a bright band, it means a separation between two dark bands. So here we get a fringe width of a bright band. Okay, so this reason here already given that separation, it means bright fringes. So bright fringes, suppose we consider that these two are bright fringes. These two are bright fringes in between separation. So in between separation, so this one we consider that beta 1. So beta 1 is equal to 8.1 millimeter. 8.1 millimeter means 8.1 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Okay. Next one, a second light produce an interference pattern in which fringes are separated by 7.2 millimeter. Calculate the wavelength of a second light. Okay, so next another one source we consider that another source, and this wavelength we consider that lambda 2. Okay, so lambda 2 value, so lambda 2 is equal to question mark. We don't know that lambda value. We want to calculate this lambda value. Okay, when we use the second wavelength, and here we get a fringe width 7.2 millimeter. It means 7.2 into 10 power minus 3 meter. When we use the lambda 1 wavelength, so this wavelength, so here we get a, so fringe width is 8.1 millimeter. When we use a second wavelength, and here we get a beta value is 7.2 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Okay, and here we want to calculate lambda 2, it means a second wavelength value. It means the distance between these two slits remains the same. So this reason here we consider that a formula. So fringe width is equal to D into lambda divided by small d. Okay, so this one is a fringe width formula. Okay, so here we consider that a first fringe width. So first one, it means beta 1. So beta 1 is equal to D value remains the same. It means we cannot change a slit and a screen distance. Okay, so D remains the same, and a lambda, so lambda 1 divided by D as it is. Okay, so this reason, so this beta value 8.1 into 10 power minus 3 is equal to D as it is, and here lambda 1, so lambda 1 value, so lambda 1 630 into 10 power minus 9 divided by, so divided by so here divided by small d, so small d value as it is. And next one we consider that a beta 2 is equal to d lambda 2 divided by small d. Okay, so here beta 2 value 7.2 into 10 power minus 3 is equal to, so d as it is, into we want to calculate lambda 2 divided by small d. Okay, so this one here we consider that equation 1 and equation 2. So dividing equation 2 by 1. Okay, so when we dividing equation 2 by 1, it means beta 2 divided by beta 1, beta 2 divided by beta 1. Okay, so here, so beta directly proportional to the lambda, it means a fringe width directly proportional to the wavelength. When fringe width value increases, it means a fringe wavelength value is also increases. Suppose given a light ray wavelength is maximum and here we get a maximum fringe width. So this reason beta 2 by beta 1, beta 2 by beta 1, it means a dd get cancel. Okay, so small d get cancel, it means we get a lambda 2 divided by lambda 1. Okay, so this reason beta 2 we want to calculate a lambda 2 value. Okay, so this reason here we consider that formula lambda 2 is equal to beta 2 divided by beta 1 and here lambda 1. So this reason beta 2 value, so beta 2 it means 7.2 into 10 power minus 3 divided by, so beta 1 value 8.1 into 10 power minus 3 and here into lambda 1, so lambda 1 into lambda 1, so lambda 1 value 630 into 10 power minus 9. Okay, 7.2 into 10 power minus 3 divided by 8.1 into 10 power minus 3 into 630 into 10 power minus 9. So here after simplification we will get 560 10 power minus 9 meter. It means 560 nanometer. 560 nanometer. So this one we consider that a lambda 2. When we use 560 nanometer of a wavelength, then we will get a fringe width is 7.2 millimeter. Okay, so our next question. Yellow light of a wavelength 6000 angstrom produce a fringes of a width 0.8 millimeter in a Young's double slit experiment. Okay, so here in Young's double slit experiment, when we used the light ray, so yellow light and its a wavelength 6000 angstrom. It means so 6000 into 10 power minus 10. Okay, so 6000 into 10 power minus 10 meter angstrom, and here produce a fringe width 0.8 millimeter. It means so beta 1 is equal to 0.8 millimeter. So 0.8 millimeter, 0.8 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Okay, when we use 60,000 angstrom of yellow wavelength light, and here we get a fringe width, so this fringe width value 0.8 millimeter. And the next one, what will be the fringe width if the light source is replaced by another monochromatic source of a wavelength 7500 angstrom. Suppose if you replaced this yellow color wavelength of a light, replaced this light and another one wavelength of a light, we consider that this wavelength, so this wavelength is 7500 angstrom. So 7500 angstrom means 7500 into 10 power minus 10. Okay, so wavelength of second light lambda 2 is 7500 angstrom. Next one, and separated between the slit is a double. Okay, so initially we consider that so this slit distance is d. After when we used, so this one is a lambda 1, when we used second wavelength, so distance of this slit increases by 2 times. Distance of this slit increases by 2 times means, so here we consider that 2d. Okay, and here somewhere it means we will get fringes, and here we want to calculate beta value. So d1 we consider that suppose, so this one is d1 is a d, and d2, so this one is a d2. Okay, so d2 is equal to 2d. Okay, we want to calculate beta 2 is equal to question mark. Okay, in first case beta 1 is equal to small capital D into lambda divided by small d. Okay, so this one is beta 1, and here we consider that wavelength lambda 1, so distance between this slit remains the same. Distance between screen to slit remains the same, so slit distance changes. And this one we consider that equation 1, and the second equation beta 2 is equal to, so d as it is, and the wavelength lambda 2 divided by, so distance between slit increases by 2 times, it means 2d. Okay, and here, so dividing equation 2 by 1, so this reason, so beta 2 divided by beta 1, so beta 2 value d lambda 2 divided by 2d whole divided by, so beta 1 d lambda 2 divided by d, so d1, otherwise we consider that a d. Okay, so here dd get cancel and a small d get cancel, it means, so beta 2 divided by beta 1, it means here we consider that lambda, sorry, okay, so here we consider that lambda 1. Okay, so lambda 2 and here lambda 1, so this reason here lambda 2 divided by lambda 1 and here divided by 2, it means 1 divided by 2. Okay, so this reason here final equation we consider that beta 2 by beta 1 is equal to 1 by 2 lambda 2 divided by lambda 1. Okay, so 1 by 2 lambda 2, so lambda 2 value 7500 into 10 power minus 10 divided by lambda 1 6000 into 10 power minus 10. Okay, so 0 zeros cancel and 10 power minus 10 power minus 10 cancel, so 1 by 2, 1 by 2 means 0.5, and here, okay, so beta is there, it means a beta 1. Okay, and here we consider that equation beta 2 is equal to 1 by 2 lambda 2 lambda 1 into beta 1. So this reason here we want to calculate beta 2, so this reason here into beta 1, so beta 1 value 0.8 into 10 power minus 3, 0.8 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, so this reason here the final so 0.5 75 divided by 60 into 0.8. It means finally we will get 0.5 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, into 10 power minus 3. Okay, 0.5 into 10 power minus 3 meter. So meter means so finally we get 0.5 into 10 power millimeter. So this one is a second fringe width. Beta 2 is equal to 0.5 millimeter.